Hello guys, welcome to Techkibay YouTube channel, the home of technology and entertainment. We give you all the top hard tech tips with lots of entertainment. Trust me guys, we're going to show you how to make this money online. Kindly hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also the like button to like this video. More so, kindly visit our website on www.techkibay.com for more updates. Thank you so much. We love you. Hello guys, welcome back to Techkibay YouTube channel, the home of technology and money making ideas. If you are a new visitor, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification button to get our updates. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're welcome. And don't forget to share this video, like, and also invite your friends to do same. So guys, today I want to teach you guys how to get 10 subscribers on YouTube every day. That means like every single day guys, you're going to be receiving 10 sure guaranteed subscribers on a daily basis on your YouTube channel. This sounds amazing guys, but this is so sure and it's guaranteed. And it works effectively, perfectly well, guys. This is mostly for new YouTubers or people just starting a YouTube channel, finding it difficult, to gain subscribers. This is going to be very easy for you guys. This video is for you. So if you have a friend or you are affected with this kind of issue of not having any subscriber at all, maybe you have opened a YouTube channel for months or maybe for a year, I haven't gotten any views, or you have not even gotten any subscriber at all, this video is for you. Even if you have 1 million subscribers, or even if you have enough subscribers, you will still need to get more. All YouTube owners need subscribers. Nobody on YouTube we say he or she doesn't need any subscriber at all. So we need to increase the subscribers count on a daily basis, guys. So we start here. First of all, we move over to the address bar. Then we type in sonukar.com. For those that don't know about this, you're gonna know about it today. You see, boost your YouTube channel's growth today. Okay, guys, it says get free YouTube subscribers or buy YouTube subscribers. So, guys, we're gonna click on the get free Euro subscribers right away. Click there. So, guys, for you to create account with this website or on this website, you have to make use of a YouTube channel URL or your YouTube channel ID. Okay, so right here, this is my YouTube channel. This channel is for education purpose. Okay, so you put the address. Click I'm not a robot. Okay, you don't say let me in, guys. You say let me in. You're gonna let you in, guys. Then I put a password, guys. You know, let you in, guys. Let me in. So, guys, you can see that right away. Hello. It says hello. Your current plan, no plan activated. Change my videos, okay? Alright, guys, you can see that. It says YouTube growth plans. Start are free forever. Okay. So, you can actually see that it has a lot of plans here. It has a lot of plans, guys. There are a lot of plans here. So this the first one is a free plan, and the second one is an enterprise $20 plan per month. This one is actually similar to the free one. This says gain 10 to 15 subscribers every day. You subscribe and like 0 views. Okay. This is a $40 plan. $80 plan. You can actually see this for yourself whenever you go to the website to see that, or whenever you want to do that on your own. You can actually see that the comfort of your home and do this on your own, guys. So what I'm going to make use of, you remember we said free. We said free on a daily basis, guys. So we're gonna make use of this free starter plan, which is free forever, and we're gonna be getting 10 subscribers each day. Okay, guys. So what you see here is gain 5 subscribers in 12 hours. You subscribe and like 5 videos. You manually activate plan, activate one time every 12 hours. Subscriber count must be public, must have 1+ videos posted. Stop using at any time. So this actually means that you can actually control your usage or the way you activate this plan. You can't make use of it every time. You only have control over it whenever you make use of it, whenever you want to make use of it. Okay, you can actually say, okay, yes, I will need it now. So it's not automatic, it's manually activated, and you are the one activating this plan. Okay, so that's what I mean by stop using at any time. So guys, it says gain 5 subscribers in 12 hours. So this means every 12 hours you're going to be getting free 5 subscribers, and 12 plus 12, that's 24 hours. So that means in 24 hours you're going to be getting 10 sure subscribers. That's the daily subscribers, guys. So that means each day we're going to be getting 10 real subscribers. So guys, remember, for you to know that this is the real subscriber count, this is a sub for sub platform, a Euro sub for sub platform, but we're not gonna be subscribing to any platform. That's if you want to subscribe to anyone. But right here, to make this faster, I'm not gonna be subscribing to any YouTube channel or liking any video. So guys, let's hop in. Now you click the activate button here for the free starter plan. Click the activate button. Now it says, guys, videos remaining 5. So it is expecting you to like 5 videos, to watch the videos, click any of them, like and then subscribe. That you need to watch the video, you need to like the video, you also need to subscribe to that channel, But right here, guys, we're gonna make this shortcut, and we're gonna get the 5 subscribers under 5 minutes, guys. Alright, that's what we're gonna do is click any video, then like, then subscribe. So we're gonna click this red bar here containing these options of how we're gonna make the views count. That's click any video, then like, then subscribe, then we click on the red bar. Okay, so it takes us to YouTube, guys. So it wants us to subscribe to this channel, it wants us to subscribe to the channel, or it wants us to like any video here. But if you don't want to do anyone, you can actually leave here. You go back. Okay, you go back. I'm gonna go back. So guys, you go back to Sonuka. So you can see it says confirm. So that means once you have done that, you now click on confirm. Okay, you click on confirm. Then it says please wait while we verify you watched a video, liked and subscribed. So so the algorithm says they want to check if I actually watched the video, but now it says success, but I didn't watch any video, guys. I didn't watch any video. Remember, we didn't watch any video. So we keep repeating the same thing. So right here, you go back. You keep doing the same thing, guys. Yes, so guys, remember the current plan has not yet been activated. Okay, you can see there your current plan plan activated. So now right now is remaining only 1 video. So guys, remember it was actually remaining 4 videos. So and I actually had to skip it, so I wouldn't waste your time. So without wasting much of your time, guys, this is the last one we're gonna do. Click on the red bar again. Okay. So guys, you guys can see the plan has been activated. Your current plan now is starter plan. So guys, we have activated this plan. Okay, so we're gonna gain 5 subscribers in 12 hours, and after 12 hours, you can see the countdown, guys. It's remaining for 11 hours. It says activate again in 11 hours 58 minutes. Okay, guys. So that means we are on the starter plan. We have activated the starter plan, and now we are active, and we're gonna be receiving 5 subscribers on our YouTube channel. So guys, this strategy works effectively well. So after 11 hours of the countdown, it displays the starter plan again for us to activate it again, which is gonna give us 10 subscribers on daily basis. So guys, if you have 0 subscriber on your YouTube channel, this is for you guys, and I'll show you that whenever you start making use of this strategy, whenever you utilize this strategy, guys, you're gonna see a significant increment in the number of the subscribers you have on YouTube. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please kindly hit the subscribe button, like, and also share this video. Hit the notification bell to get my new updates, and don't forget to recommend my videos to your friends, guys. Remember, this channel is for technology, hacks, and how to do almost everything in life, guys. Thank you so much. See you next time, guys.